Cloves, the aromatic flower buds of the clove tree, offer a range of health benefits that have been cherished for centuries. Firstly, cloves are exceptionally rich in antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which helps combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Their anti-inflammatory properties make them beneficial for joint health and may alleviate conditions like arthritis. Secondly, cloves are known for their potent antimicrobial properties, making them a natural remedy for oral health. Clove oil is often used to relieve toothaches and gum pain, and it can help combat oral infections. Additionally, cloves have been linked to improved digestion as they stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and reduce gastric discomfort. Lastly, these aromatic spice buds may aid in regulating blood sugar levels, making them potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. With their versatile uses and health-enhancing properties, cloves are a valuable addition to both culinary and natural medicine practices. Ingredients: cloves,